I think for me and for us, the most challenging type of scenario that tends to present itself are these last minute um, sort of calls from clients that are either prospective clients or their current clients coming back and saying, I'm a business owner. I've got a major issue. One of my partners has literally taken funds out of the company bank account and just run off. Or one of the partners in our company has taken a corporate opportunity, something that belonged to the company, and is now diverting it elsewhere. And that particular partner is also leaving the business without giving us any heads up. So they clearly are now competing with the company and putting us in a position of potential peril. I don't know what to do. I'm going to lose a ton of business. I'm going to have to lay off staff. We might even have to close down. I mean, these scenarios, they come up, and they come up more so than people would believe in day-to-day life. And those scenarios wind up being really complex and challenging for us simply because it requires a lot of communication, speaking with the business owner, often speaking with staff members to get affidavits, to get a sense of what specifically is taking place. And then we need to immediately get to work to file either an order to show cause, often seeking an injunction, meaning getting the court immediately right away to say, Your Honor, we've got an emergency situation. We have a problem. We need you to put an order in place to stop people from doing things. Or sometimes, if it's a bank account issue, we need what's called an attachment. And, the elements to obtain this type of relief, they're sometimes difficult, though nuanced, but sometimes difficult to satisfy. And that's because the court generally doesn't want to stop people from doing things unless one can show that it's pretty egregious. So generally speaking, when we get one of these last minute calls, we have to run into court right away, do an immediate filing, go before the judge, say, Your Honor, we've got an emergency scenario. This is what's taking place. If you don't do something right now, Your Honor, there is going to be what's called irreparable harm, meaning my client's going to suffer so much that even if we're successful on a judgment at trial, that judgment's going to be worthless. So the irreparable harm standard in emergency relief applications seeking injunctive relief when filing an order to show cause is what the imperative element is to hopefully get the relief you're looking for. So those types of situations that come to us, I think, are probably the most challenging, especially when it's not a current client where we know their business already, but it's when a client's coming to us saying we need to take immediate action. But these are things we do. These are things we're comfortable with. These are things we do often. And usually we are able to do something that assists our client at the end of the day.